Okay, so my trunk release button right here at the trunk is all melted and messed up, as you see there. So I'm gonna replace that. Here's the one that I got. I actually got this from the junkyard. Found that this one was still pretty good, all intact, and the rubber is actually still together, not breaking apart. So let's get this installed. So just looking at this trunk switch, it looks like it just pops and clips right in. So what I'm gonna do is just carefully pop out the old one with the flathead screwdriver. So what I'm gonna do is just use this flathead screwdriver and just pop it out from one of the side right here. And okay, now we just have to unplug this. Before I install the other one, I'm just gonna clean this area real quick. Okay, that's the best I can clean it at this moment with what I have, but I'll clean it deeper later. But let's get this other one installed. So let's plug in this clip, or plug in this connector, and then this should just pop right in. There it goes. Now let's double check if this switch works. All right. Good to go. Okay, let me run this back after trying to remove this new one that I just installed to try and clean up all the goop around there and learning something. Okay, so what I noticed is that you should actually be prying right here to correctly remove this piece. Prying right here will actually disengage the two tabs that holds and pop and clicks it in. So it'll make it easier for it to come out. So let me show you guys again. Okay, so use a flathead screwdriver or a sturdier plastic trim tool. Insert it right here carefully. Kind of like just pop it down like that. And then just pull it up this way, and then just carefully pull it down like that. If you guys have any further questions, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Now, if you guys missed the intro video on the E90, make sure you guys go and check it out right here, and also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.